All right, guys, we're here today with another episode of Y'all Made It, We All Gonna Skate It.
Whoa, it's broken.
That really wasn't necessary to open. Wow, hat. Okay, just put your head in there and smell.
I'll smell it.
Maybe it's the peanuts. Notice how I very carefully said peanuts. What does it smell like?
Industrial, dude, like an industrial.
Betty, what does it smell like? It smells like gasoline.
It smells like grease.
You guys don't, yeah, grease or gasoline or
there's more hats.
Lance, one for you.
I don't know what this is, but something. What in the world? Flash Floor. The Flash Floor Pail Kit. Everything you need to make a quick concrete repair. What in the world? We actually do need to make some quick concrete repairs.
I found the clue.
Go ahead.
It says
Riyadh. Restore your floor with Flash Floor. Easy to use, durable, fast. You never know when a You Make It We Skate It is just going to be a full-blown advertisement for somebody's company. So I feel like this may or may not be. Hard to say. Greeting Braille team. First off, I love your YouTube channel. It's a lot of fun to watch. Maintenance Solutions, established 2002. I used to skate back in the day. I was terrible, but I had a lot of fun doing it and lying to people about how good I was. I know how that goes.
I do it every day.
Do it all the time. My family owns a small company in SC where we make a super strong polymer-based concrete repair product called Flash Floor. When I heard the name Flash Floor, because I saw it on the box, I thought this was gonna be like a skateboard that lights up and flashes. It hardens in 15 minutes and you can drive a truck on it. No, it is not an epoxy. It's even stronger. I mean, we do have some pieces of the floor we need to patch. Not really what I expected to do in this video. The board consists of Flash Floor, sand, and 3 layers of fiberglass. Oh, that's pretty cool. I use a cheap skateboard to create a mold. See if I can read this without Fetty. Okay. The board consists of Flash Floor, sand, and 3 layers of epoxy. I used a cheap skateboard to create a mold, and this is how I got a killer shape made. I filmed a build and uploaded it to our YouTube channel so you can see it, or on the website at flashfloor.net. After I finished the build, I let it sit in my shop for a couple days, and I got to thinking, I don't think anyone at Braille can break this. Ha! No one at Braille can break this?
One kickflip and it's done.
I love this challenge.
Let me at him.
So I went back off camera and drilled out holes to make the Braille logo to weaken it a little. Smiley face. To be honest, I still think it can be broken, but give it your best shot and have fun. Thanks for creating cool content and a cool brand. Thank you. P.S. I am sure there are some cracks, holes, and divots somewhere in the warehouse, so I included a cartridge and a cool company shirt. Oh, is this what we need? What in the world? I do not trust myself with anything like this. It'll end up literally in my eyeballs and down my throat, and that'll be the end of Braille. Fetty! We should just make the videos called Fetty Makes a Mess, Aaron Cleans It Up. Ow! This is actually really cool. Flash Floor, 3 layers of fiberglass and sand.
With Aaron on it.
And he drilled those holes to make it a little weaker. Flash Floor. Feel it. Feel how heavy it is. It's definitely really heavy. Oh.
It's not that heavy.
Pretty well made.
Yeah, it's like Thor's hammer.
What?
So you're saying only skate guy can pick it up?
Actually, hooked us up with some nice trucks too. I think they're Crux, no? Let's roll this bad boy.
Kickflip off.
Should we get a thumbnail before we break it?
Yeah.
This is actually really cool because even the sand that they used made grip tape.
Yeah, but on the bottom it's slick.
But on the bottom it's slick. Good for slides.
Super
Quite
well
brilliant.
made.
Brilliant.
Whoa.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Kickflip off.
Kickflip off.
Why do I always pick paper? I swear. Hey, all I know is the shirt fits and the hat fits just fine.
You look perfect in that.
Dude, I swear, I can get a job anywhere working for Braille.
I already broke it.
Was that the trucks?
No, that was the
Something
tail. The tail snapped.
Did it fully snap?
It cracks.
No. I think it's just breaking in a little bit.
Breaking
It's like, I don't think you guys can break it. One kickflip later. Wow. It does feel like it's gonna break.
$10 right here. Those tail snaps off.
All right, $10.
So it's
$10
now the
above
nose.
crack, I'll tell you, that's the one.
That's the tail for Kelly.
$10 later, Aaron's coming up. His first bet at the Braille house that he won.
Well, I got $10 right now, but
It's okay, it's okay.
It already snapped?
crack the tail.
Let me get at it.
It doesn't even flex for me at all.
That's what I was trying to kickflip.
No way.
85 pounds of Carlos, and it was done. Oh, Carlos!
Oh, so much for that.
What does that say?
Is that the first? That's the second thing I've ever broken at Braille, right? There's that
No,
plastic symbol at Main Street.
you broke it.
No, you broke it. I just finished it.
Well, it's too bad that he drilled those holes to make it less strong because it was real strong.
All right, we're gonna do what we did earlier.
Well, I suppose if this was on your concrete. Yeah, it does. Here, smell it.
Take a whiff.
I can't smell.
Oh.
Take a big old
Why'd you put that on my face?
Yeah, screw it. Let's try it.
Like,
I
oh
skated
yeah,
it.
you
I
couldn't
skated
do a
it.
flat ground kickflip. May as well take it down the 5. Well played. Okay, here we go again with Carlos on what I would refer to as the death cannonball.
The worst idea ever?
The worst idea next to the last time he did this, which was an hour ago, literally. The board is fully broken. It's only thing holding it together is a thin piece of what appears to be a burlap sack. Literally. It's like a burlap sack surrounded by concrete. Here we go, Carlos, with a board on top. This is his brilliant idea. I'm gonna put a board on top and then go down the 5 stair like this. Gorilla grip. Good luck. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, is that not a burlap sack? Fiberglass is like slowly going into our eyes.
So yes, the
You got
Lego
it.
cannonball.
Burlap sack bungee cannonball. Finally, we're onto something. Bro. I just feel like that's gonna shoot right into my...
You guys get a slow-mo?
No! All I saw was this. Neck. Let me make this a little safer. It's only a cannonball on a half burlap sack concrete board with a separate skateboard on the top being pulled in by a bungee down a 5 stair double-handed cannonball.
Easy.
What could go wrong? They said it couldn't be done. They said it was not safe. They said he wouldn't do it.
They said the board wouldn't break.
They said he wouldn't go to the 2020 Olympics. They lied.
Kelly got so happy.
He's
I'm going!
proved them wrong. I count that a land.
Just like
Yeah.
jump up.
Well,
Oh, you got that.
That section?
Nice, Lenny.
Wow, this is probably one of the worst smelling boards that we've ever broken. I do think it was really funny that they didn't think it would break, but yeah, whatever. You win some, you lose some. It might be kind of a funny challenge to get some boards, like the unbreakable boards, because we seem to just break everything. Whether we want to or not, it just seems to break. Maybe you guys can send us some like seriously unbreakable things. I guess we didn't break the titanium board.
Yeah, anything metal, we couldn't break that.
Yeah, I don't know though. We have broken a lot of metal boards actually. It just bent in every which way. So yeah, well this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We've made a ton of You Make It We Skate It's, and we have a huge push in 2018 to teach you guys how to skateboard. So you can get Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 DVD absolutely free. You just pay for the shipping. The link will be in the description below. And once you pay for the shipping, you'll be taken to all kinds of other cool offers that will all be geared towards teaching you how to skateboard so that we can grow the incredible, awesome, unbelievably cool sport or lifestyle, whatever you call it. I don't know, calling it a sport and then people are like, it's not a sport. That we can grow skateboarding and make more people have fun like we do on the skateboards. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.